Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook a simple dish. So, sauteed garlic shiitake mushroom. Okay, so we need parsley. Supposed to be fresh parsley, but I have no fresh parsley. I use them dried parsley. Okay, and then oyster sauce. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a tablespoon of sesame oil. 1/4 cup of onion mince, a tablespoon of garlic mince, a tablespoon of unsalted butter, a tablespoon of cooking oil, and 500 grams of shiitake mushroom. Add the oil. It's hot. And then next, we're gonna add a mushroom. The shiitake mushroom. Okay guys, so next we're gonna add the butter. And then we're gonna saute the onion. Okay. We're gonna add the oyster sauce. You add the oyster sauce. And sesame oil. Sauteed garlic shiitake mushroom is done. It's very quick. Our sauteed garlic shiitake mushroom is done. And then I'm gonna get garnish it. Garnish with parsley. Okay guys. Okay, our sauteed garlic shiitake mushroom is done. Okay, I'm going to taste it. Guys, it's yummy. And then thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Broja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. So, garlic shiitake mushroom. Okay, it's very simple but it's yummy.